affects almost half of all children, but it can affect adults too. So what exactly is eczema?
So eczema is also another inflammatory condition. However, it's more exacerbated and sometimes triggered and caused by other exogenous factors, like things we do to our skin. Yeah, it can look pretty bad.
And what are the most common symptoms of eczema? We saw there in the photograph, it almost looks like a dry, flaky skin.
Yes, very dry, flaky, scaly, sometimes cracked. It can get secondarily infected, but it's really itchy. That's the #1 symptom, where psoriasis is not as itchy.
Right.
Eczema is very itchy, and it really keeps people from sleeping. They're miserable at work. They can wear certain clothing. Sweating makes it worse. So it's uncomfortable all day long and at night.
So for patients here in South Florida who have eczema and come to your practice, I mean, it's the heat, obviously, that
makes it
this
worse.
triggers. So what do you do in order to be able to control the eczema?
Well, again, there are lots of topical and oral treatments and more that I know we'll talk about, but it's the main treatment for eczema is repairing that skin barrier. And it's a lot of counseling. Like I saw a patient yesterday who had been treated with topical steroids, oral steroids, but had never been told to get rid of his dryer sheets and fabric softener, and never been told to not soak in a bathtub with bubbles and things like this that make her, he didn't know, and he's spraying cologne all over himself, and like, no wonder you itch. You have eczema. You can't do these things. So it's a lot of counseling. It's a lot of, lifestyle changes for patients, especially women who like their smells.